The Graco TriRide 3-in-1 packs the features you've come to expect in a Graco all-in-one car seat that takes your child from infancy to booster age, like new cup holders, onboard harness storage in booster mode, and a steel reinforced frame. It's Graco's most budget-priced all-in-one, yet it doesn't feel like you're missing any of the features of its big guns. TriRide installation. Despite not having a lock-off, the TriRide installs pretty easily. Graco has their installation design down and has made installation easy in most vehicles. One quirk I did note is that the opening for the rear-facing belt path is vertical, and the opening for the forward-facing belt path is horizontal. This is different than every other car seat I've encountered, and I won't hazard a guess as to why the design is like this. It does help rear-facing in keeping the shoulder belt from twisting on its way back to the retractor, but it's merely a quirk, though, and you'll simply have to remember to turn your seat belt latch plate sideways to fit it through. No big deal. The TriRide also won't be your go-to for a 3 across since it measures at just over 19. That's a fairly standard car seat width, but not narrow enough to fit even 2 car seats side by side in a small back seat. The TriRide has a ball recline indicator. You have a small area in which to place the seat for 0-3 months and a slightly larger area for older children with better head control. If your older child prefers more recline, you can use that 0-3 months range. Not many caregivers understand that about the recline indicator. Installation was easy using either latch or seat belt in the vehicles in which I placed the TriRide. However, as with just about every car seat I've encountered that doesn't have some type of belt tensioning lock-off, in my Tesla Model 3, it takes great effort to install the TriRide in the center seating position. In the outboard positions, it's a much easier install. TriRide fit to child. The TriRide has a rounded shape internally, which doesn't matter for most kids and they won't notice. If your kid has reflux, though, that shape will bend your child over and put pressure on their stomach, causing discomfort. My models found the fit was comfortable and the kiddos liked it. As a high-back booster, seat belt fit was great. Graco has figured the formula out for high-back booster fit in their 3-in-1 all-in-one car. The shoulder belt fits well over the middle of the shoulder, even on narrow kids, and the lap belt fits low on the hips, touching the upper thighs just where you want it to sit. The TriRide has a head support, body support pad, and harness covers. The Graco TriRide 3-in-1 car seat is a nice seat that makes you forget it's an inexpensive all-in-one. It has what your child needs in a lightweight shell and a comfortable cover. The TriRide hits the spot for a car seat in that lower price point without all the bells and whistles, yet it still has all the safety features you expect. Graco has the formula down in making car seats that are easy to install. And thank you to Graco for providing the Graco TriRide used for this review. No other compensation was provided. All opinions expressed are those of the author.